Hey everyone, this is Shallahamer from OraPub. Got a webinar coming up for you focused on a specific aspect of SQL tuning. So the big question is this: how are performance-focused Oracle DBAs like us, who don't cheat by relying on mind-numbing GUIs or prostituting ourselves at low wages, who are spending our own money and vacation time, how do we beat bots, AI, machine learning, and autonomous anything? That is the question. And an OraPub membership is your answer. My name is Shallahamer, and welcome to your future. You know, to be a really good SQL tuner, it's critical, and it's so satisfying when you can get it down just to a couple logical IOs. But there's quite a challenge, right? I mean, there's so much to learn, it can really be overwhelming. One of the problems that developers and DBAs can mess up on, which will just totally mess up your SQL statement, is implicit type conversion. And that's going to be the focus of this webinar. So here's the backstory. A couple of months ago, I asked Kaley if he would do a webinar focused on any aspect of SQL tuning that he wanted to. And he did, and it was awesome. Then what he did is he took the webinar, he transformed it into a conference presentation, and presented it at the East Coast Oracle User Group Conference in September. And he killed it. I heard people say it was the best presentation they'd heard in the entire conference. I mean, it was really good. So I asked him if he'd do another webinar focused on a very specific area of SQL tuning, and he wanted to do it on implicit type conversion. So that's the backstory. So it's going to be an awesome webinar. I'm really looking forward to it and hope to see you then.